Looks like Ethiopian teff bread, but it's really chilla is called in India.
And here is the recipe.
Yeah.
Really tasty. So this is Moong Dal Chilla, or translated means mung bean omelette. It looks like pancakes, and the filling inside is with vegan feta cheese. It's just amazing. So soft, so nice, and
Is there
complements.
avocado in it?
So avocado is optional.
Okay.
I added some avocado on a few, and some of them without avocado for a lighter taste. It works well both ways.
I always take that option.
Yeah, exactly. And I'll just taste it. The first thing you need to do is to soak a cup of mung beans with 3 cups of water overnight, and then the next day the mung beans have doubled. So rinse them well and add them to your blender and add 2 cups of water. Then blend it for about 2 minutes until you get to a smooth consistency, and you can transfer it to a large bowl where we're going to mix all of the ingredients. Add some chopped red onions to the mix, as well as freshly chopped parsley and a teaspoon of sea salt, and mix it well. Then leave it for about 10 minutes on the counter to rest. Meanwhile, let's prepare the filling. Add some avocado oil into a cooking pan and saute some cumin seeds. Then add some freshly chopped green chilies. This will give a nice flavor to the filling. And then add some chopped onions and saute them for about 5 to 10 minutes until they're nice and soft. And for additional flavor, add some black pepper and turmeric and mix everything well. Then it's time to add the vegan feta cheese, which I sliced in cubes. Mix all the ingredients nicely, and you'll see that as it gets heated, the vegan feta cheese starts melting with the ingredients. And then the last ingredient is to add freshly chopped parsley to the mixture, and our filling is done. It looks so nice and delicious. And now that we have our filling ready, it's time to make the chilla. Pour some of the mixture into a non-stick pan and spread it evenly until you get to a nice and thin layer. And you can cook it for about 2 minutes until you see the color changing and the surface drying out. Then you can flip it over and cook it for another 2 minutes. Then flip it back and add some of the filling into the chilla. You can see how tasty the mixture looks like. And if you like avocado, you can add some avocado on the top of the filling, and then close the chilla on each side and transfer it to a large plate. You can see the crispy and beautiful color and smell the aroma. And then repeat the process until all of the chillas are cooked. This recipe is good for about 7 chillas, so you can feed a large family or have some extra for a snack in the afternoon. I hope you enjoyed this delicious breakfast recipe, and if you do, let me know in the comment section below. And I'll just taste it. So we'll enjoy these. I'll see you guys in the next video.
Boo-boo.